What's up guys, welcome back to Code Wizard, and in today's video we're going to talk about how to use the filter function in JavaScript. The filter function is a very handy function that allows you to filter out elements based on a specific criteria, and it essentially creates a new array of those filtered elements. So you can see here in the code we have an array called myArray, which contains a bunch of integers. And what we're going to do in this example is we're going to create a new array, and that array is only going to contain integers that are greater than 5. So we'll create a new variable called newArray. And from here, we'll call myArray.filter. Now, the filter function essentially loops through the entire array, and for each element, a callback function will be called. So this is where we provide our callback function here. And the callback function takes up to 3 arguments. It can take the element itself, it can take the index of the element, and then it can also take in the array itself, and that's the array that you're working with, the old array. So for this example, we only need the element itself, so we can pass in element. And inside the callback function, this is where we set our criteria on whether or not the specific element that you're looking at is passing our criteria or not. So from here, all we have to do, since we want elements that are greater than 5, we can just return this conditional statement here. So this function, this filter function, will loop through my array, and for each element, this callback function here will be called, and it will check if the element is greater than 5. If it's greater than 5, the element is added to the new array, otherwise it is not. So the only thing to remember about the callback function is it has to coerce to a Boolean value. So you can see here, if element is greater than 5, this coerces to true, so it keeps the element. If it's not greater than 5, that coerces to false, so it does not keep the element. So that is the one thing you want to remember with the actual callback function. Now that callback function, remember, can take in the index if you need that for any particular reason, or the original array itself. So there's a variety of different things that you can do in addition to what we're doing here. So like I said though, for this example, we just need the element. And from here, we're going to console.log the new array, so you can see. And now we'll run the program, so we'll open up our terminal. And now you can see the new array, and it contains integers that are only greater than 5. So that's how you use the filter function in JavaScript. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below, like the video, subscribe, and thanks for watching.